The deployment of the Nemesis, which is the Navy, Marine, Expeditionary Ship Interdiction System, is part of Kamandag.
Opisyal nang binuksan kahapon ng taunang Kamandag o ang kagapay ng mga mandirigma mula sa dagat sa naturang military exercise kabilang sa gagawin ng Philippine Marine Corps at US Marine Corps ang Maritime Key Terrain Operation, Coastal Defense at Live Fire Integration. Dito posibleng gamitin ang Navy Marine Expeditionary Ship Interdiction System o Nemesis. Ayon kay Philippine Navy spokesperson Captain John Percy Alcos, mahalaga para sa mga sundalong Pilipino na matutunan ang paggamit ng makabagong gamit mula sa ibang bansa.
Whether it will be fired or not depends on the actual situation or actual criteria that will be met on the day of the maritime strike demonstration. So, but the objective is to be able to maximize this particular training activity.
Ayon pa sa Philippine Navy, malaki ang magiging tulong ng makabagong kagamitan gaya ng Nemesis sa pagpapaigting ng depensa sa ating teritoryo.
As we have mentioned before, we have already submitted to higher headquarters to include and to the Department of National Defense the list of essential or critical capabilities that the Navy or the AFP intends to have. And this is one of the capabilities that we intend to have.
Samantala, noong Abril ay naglayag na ang United Kingdom Carrier Strike Group lula ng HMS Prince of Wales sa ilalim ng Operation HIMARS. Kasama ang Canada, Norway at Spain, iikot sila sa loob ng 8 buwan sa Mediterranean, Indian Ocean at Indo-Pacific region. Ayon kay Philippine Navy spokesperson for West Philippine Sea, Rear Admiral Roy Vincent Trinidad, malaki ang impluwensya nito sa pagpapanatili ng kapayapaan sa Indo-Pacific region.
This is a very strong message by like-minded nations that would like to support the rules-based international order in the Mediterranean, in the Indian Ocean, and most importantly, in the Indo-Pacific region.
Nakatakdaring magsagawa at lumahok sa bilateral at multilateral activities ang UK Carrier Strike Group, katuwang ang kaalyado nitong bansa. Benedict Samson, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.